with Mimi Lace Me. Listen, she completely slayed my hair. It's my first time getting my lace front, and I am definitely giving this a Milley Rock. Yes, it was amazing. What was your favorite part about doing this install on me?
The transformation. You look so different. I didn't know what to expect because I was just working off memory and pictures. But you look so good. I love it.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I love the color. I love how everything kind of like came together. You know, it was a really comfortable experience. So now I need you to tell everybody how they can find you and how they can like purchase one of these amazing installs and wigs.
Okay, so on my website is MimilacMe.com. I sell all the products that you need to lace someone down or yourself. Also, all my units are available for sale on MimilacMe.com. And you can find me on Instagram at MimilacMe. Mia, for some reason it has Mia on there too. I gotta change that, but it's MimilacMe Mia on IG.
Okay, great. Okay, and again, how long you been in this hairstyling profession?
I've been quite a while.
Quite a while.
Quite a while, yeah.
Okay. Now, what is one piece of advice you would give to any, aspiring stylist or anybody who wants to do their own hair?
Keep going. Everything is practice. Keep going. It doesn't happen overnight. Hair, anything, whatever, keep going. Practice. You'll get good, but just be patient and practice.
Okay. And if somebody want to pull up on you, can they do like walk-ups, walk-ins, anything like that?
No, I do not take walk-ins. You can find me on Style C as well, under Style C /MimilacMe2.
Okay, y'all heard it here first. Okay, it's Milley Rock on 8 o'clock. I'm gonna give y'all what's hot, what's not. Mimi Lace Me, you definitely hot, and you definitely given us a Milley Rock approved for our first ever lace frontal. So I thank you so much. Make sure that y'all subscribe to my YouTube at Milley Rock, and you can follow me on Instagram at Milley Rock _approved. Now, this message has been Milley Rock approved.